In today's video, I'm going to teach you CJ Dropshipping Account Login Guide. By the end, you'll know exactly how to create your account and get yourself ready to explore the platform with confidence. First, head over to the official CJ Dropshipping website using your preferred web browser. Make sure you're on the legitimate site before continuing. Once you're there, look for the Register or Sign Up button, usually located at the top right of the page. Click it to open the account creation screen. On this page, you'll see a few options for getting started. You can register by entering an email address and a password, or you can choose to continue with a third-party service such as WhatsApp, Facebook, or Google. Using a connected account can speed things up, but choose the method that feels most convenient and secure for you. In this walkthrough, I'll select Google. Click the Google option, and a small window will appear asking you to pick the Google account you want to use. Select your account. After that, you'll be guided through a simple setup flow. You'll be asked to confirm or provide basic details, such as your email, your first and last name, your country, and your phone number. Follow the prompts exactly as they appear on your screen. Take a moment to double-check the spelling of your name. Choose the correct country from the list, and enter a reachable phone number with the right country code. This helps ensure your account details are accurate from the start. When everything looks good, continue through the prompts to complete the process. The site will finalize your registration and create your account. This usually takes just a moment. If you're still on the same browser, you'll be taken straight